Hello everybody, GL1 here and welcome to my premier online toy museum. And today I'm going to talk to you about Dark Side of the Moon Transformers, Autobot Ratchet, and the Repair Station. But before I go into this big set back here, for a long time I've played with this one, actually 15 years. This is Roller from the Autobot Arc playset from Dark Side of the Moon. And I'm going to do a whole show on all the arcs. So I have some really cool arc toys. And even before this, I've had this Hot Wheels one for a number of years. So this is actually, what's cool about this is you can see the little tiny detail on that NASA logo. So you can see that roller here, which I can show you pictured. Actually, this is the arc. And it opens up. It's a spaceship, but it opens up into a space station, and that's Roller there. So Roller turns into very similar, moon explorer with treads, and it's got some really good articulation. And I've been playing with this for a while, and every once in a while I'd bring it out, and you can see it transforms pretty easily into a little robot fella, and then that can just roll down there, and then that can fold back, and then he's got his robotic arm, and there you go, and fold these legs back. All right, so there is Roller. All right, so he can roll around. It's actually got little rolling wheels on there. So all right, so there he is. Well, so for years, 14 years, this one back here has been sitting in the package, and I don't know, I was thinking, I'll save it as a collector one day. Maybe I'll, sell it or whatever. But then, as it turns out, I'm not going to sell it. I don't care. I want to play with it. It looks really cool. And so it comes with a Humvee Autobot Ratchet, and you can see that, you can see the legs. You can see how that's going to transform. But what's really neat is that this whole platform here really is just a gigantic version of this. And, that's just going to fold under there. Let's see. Let me get that down there. And you can see it's really very much the same vehicle. I don't want to break anything here. And, But anyhow, all right, so there, you have that. You can kind of get the idea. Okay, so Ratchet here transforms and into a robot, and then he can, drive up onto here. Actually, this is not really in that position right now, but what it does is this folds out, and then it's like that can can drive up there, and then it's got solar panels, and this is meant to pop out. So that pops out there. There's all kinds of ways that you can play with this, and I'll show you that. So you have a little drone, or like another little tiny drone explorer that comes off here with this set. And that folds, and it's powered by solar. And the box, inside the box, it unfolds to give you a scene. So you can see the Autobot flag and Earth in the background. And there is the lunar lander, right, from 69, and so that just unfolds, and I put some tape on there to hold that together better. All right, and so you can have your whole little play set here, and then you can transform Ratchet. Just fold those up like that, and then you got your arms. You can see he's got ball joints, so he can turn his hands all around. And the head's just going to pop up there. All right, and there he is, Ratchet. And then he can hold on to like a tool, scanning or something. Let's see. Yeah, so something like that. or use that, I guess, if he's attacked, gotta use that as a weapon. All right, so the base, though, is really cool. And so it comes with pretty thorough instructions. A lot of times instructions I find with Transformers are pretty hard to follow, but not these. These are pretty good. So you start out with that, and, it flattens out into a base. Or it can also turn into kind of like a war machine. So that's the battle vehicle mode. And so I will show you that. All right, so get Ratchet to kind of stand up here. It doesn't have knees that bend. Let's see if we can get him to stand up. Okay, there. All right. So when this is in exploring mode, so you can push that back, and then that will allow you to close the clamp. So that's pretty cool. So let's see. There you go. All right, hold that. And then, so you do have little wheels that don't roll very well, actually, on here. You can see that they really don't roll very well. Actually, they're better on the little tiny one. These roll a lot better. All right, so if we're going to put this into, let's see, different modes, so everything kind of flips around. And then if things come off, that's okay. They just pop back on. I think we can flatten things out. And then this is how it becomes like a station, like a kind of a workstation, like that. And then that's going to fold down, and then this is where you would pull this out for the ramp. Okay, so, all right, so Ratchet can, stand up in here, and then he's kind of got his, workstation there. So then we're going to convert this into battle mode. Okay, so in battle mode, we're going to flip it over. Okay, we're going to fold that under, flip this over, and then these wheels are going to, or not wheels, treads. I'm going to turn over here. What am I doing wrong here? No, there. Okay, yeah. So that's going to go like that. Okay. And then okay, so then this just pulls out from under here, okay? And then we're going to convert Ratchet back into a truck. It's going to turn that around. Okay, and then we can take this, and then Ratchet's going to go and actually put that on first. And I can just put Ratchet in there, and then he's held in there. And then you have this. Put that there like that. All right, and then like that. All right, and there it's in, battle mode, because, it's Transformers and nobody really gets along. Right, Autobots and Decepticons rarely ever get along, and so you always got to worry about, something. You got to watch your back. You can have this actually over here, watching your back. And then you can just play with the whole play set, right? You have them all together, and you can just be creative, and you can bring Optimus Prime and all that into it. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. This is a pretty, I think this is kind of a rare thing. I got it for $7 back then. You know, everything was going clearance. And I mean, now this is a lot, again, like so many things, a lot more expensive to get. So it was great to get it back then on clearance and then, you know, finally open it up and it's a new toy. So thanks for watching and I will talk to you soon. Take care.